Nano. You see, I am a BTEC down pods at this point, so why not copy him in every way? Today we've got a first gen Nano, notoriously one of the hardest iPods to open, hardest iPods to repair. Now, this is my third attempt at a video today. I had 4 ideas. 2 of them have failed. The battery on this is dead. We're going to try and replace it. The chances of success are incredibly low, but it's worth a shot, eh? Now, from what limited knowledge I have, this is never something I've attempted before. So I've managed to get an in pretty much straight away, but all it's done is mess up my tool. I don't think it's actually... Let me get a proper in. From what I understand, that's the weakest corner. Now, these are amazing how tiny they are, but that makes them super unrepairable. They were great in the day, but as soon as the battery dies in them, they're pointless. Utter e-waste. I haven't watched a video on anyone doing this, so for all I know I'm butchering a perfectly good iPod mini. Well, not perfectly good. Thankfully, it's disposable at this point. I almost forgot about the hold switch. So from what I understand, I somehow need to get something wedged in between there and there. Problem is I can't find anything to get wedged in between there and there. Imagine trying to do this if you actually cared about the Nano. Well, I do care about the Nano, but still. Oh, clip just came unclipped. I'm not sure if I'm bending the plastic here. Don't feel like it, but I might be. Out of all the Nanos, I think this is the first gen looks the best, because it does look like a Nano version of the normal iPod, the iPod Classic. But at the time, the iPod. This is before the days of all them fancy iPod touches and shuffles and God knows what else. I think the first gen shuffle was out, or about to come out, you know, it was the same era. But yeah, this is when the Nano was an accomplishment rather than being a budget iPod, like they ended up being. They still were the budget iPod, I won't lie. But yeah, look at that. And I think I've royally gnashed the clips up. Now, this is the awful part of them. It's battery. So there should be 3 Phillips head, and there is 3 Phillips head. Get that off. Four Phillips head actually. Yeah, these small ones, just slightly too small. I'll see if I've got a head. Yeah, straight through it. No issues there. The ground tab connected to the battery. It's come off already. Apparently these are glued in, but I mean the glue's ancient at this point. Just come straight out. Then to the part everyone says is easy or hard, depending on who they are. No one has a mixed opinion of it. Soldering. I'll be honest, I've had this project sitting about for a while now, and the soldering was the part I just didn't want to do, to the point where I've held off on it for this long. Let's go get the kit. Right, let's have a go. This is the make or break point for this project. While the soldering iron warms up, I want to one-handed remove some of the components, just give myself a bit more room. Now, I could have very easily added a battery connector onto here, but they didn't, so we're stuck with this. It just smells like burning plastic, I won't lie. Won't lie, my soldering skills have gone downhill. I used to do a lot of soldering and electronic work years ago. I don't know what would have been the best side to go from, but there we are, desoldered. Fair enough. I'm going to try the end one first, if I can get it through. Might be too much. That's way too much, to be honest. I've got to try to do this somehow. The soldering iron was way too big. Right, first one, poorly done. Voice on. Now this one matters more, because I've done the first one now, so I need to finish it. Second one, on. Right, if I can go for a hat trick, I'll be happy. Call it a day, go home. Tin it with a bit more solder, just a tiny bit. Oof. Right, let's give this a go. I had it then. Clean up them joints. And there. Let's have a look. So, these are some awful solder joints. But they all look to be connected. That's all what matters. So, let me get the screen back connected.
A few moments later.
Let me just make sure it works. Wherever the hold switch might be. There it is. Ah, look at that. Let's switch it back onto hold. This morning it wants to restore. When an issue, we'll let you restore soon, don't worry. Now, reassembly might be a difficult process. But yeah, look at that. Thing is, I was certain this project was going to fall through. I mean, it's no point saying it now, I haven't finished yet. The two other videos I tried today were both far simpler. I'm going to put this back on. Apple put it on in the first place, so I might as well refit it. Double check. No broken connections, is there? Yep, it's working. Really lucky this iPod Nano battery didn't swell, because normally they do swell a hell of a lot and sort of rip the sensor apart. See, when it happens to a normal iPod, they've got room. On one of these, they haven't. Look at that. An iPod, what works. Brand new battery. Let's get a sync lead and try it on. Yeah, straight up, as if it's never had an issue. The iPod's loading up now. There we are, showing up on the PC. Sync with iTunes, get started. There we are. 3.74 gigabytes, formatted to Windows. Looks like we have a success here. Don't know what you think. I would call this a success. It's great to fix this. Out of the 3 videos, this is the last thing I think I could have done, but we did it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my awful soldering skills, but functional soldering skills. I will say that. Oh yeah, if you like iPod Nanos getting butchered by gas car watt electrical soldering irons, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.